Hey guys, this is Enrique. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a video behind text effect in Capcut. First, let's import a video background. To do that, go to stock videos. We have white and black background. If you use black text, use white. Since I am gonna use white text, I'll import the black background. Let's add text. I am gonna type travel to match with our clip. You have the option to customize the text font and style. Let's position the text in the center of the frame and scale it up a bit. Export the clip. Then create new project. Let's import our travel footage. Click overlay, then import our travel text footage. Freeze the text footage. Delete the clips on the left and right. Extend the text footage until it covers the whole travel footage. With the travel text footage selected, go to Splice and hit Darken. As you can see, we already have video behind text effect. To make it more interesting, we will make the text run across the frame. To do that, scale up the text footage, put the time indicator at the start of the clip. Drag the text to the left. Then add keyframe. Position the time indicator at the end of the clip. Then drag the text footage to the right. And there you have it. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe if you like this video or thumbs up. See you on the next video.